Hey, what's up everybody? ¿Cómo está mi gente? Ya tú sabes, we're back at it again. Right? My mom always says I'm a callejera, so I'm proving her right. Yeah, so we're out here in Parker with my brother. We brought his jet skis. Well, jet ski and this like stand-up thing. I don't know what it's called. So we just arrived here and we're about to order some food because I'm hungry. So yeah, tomorrow that's when the party starts. So today we're going to go jet ski. We're gonna get on the jet ski and we're gonna get on a boat and we're just gonna have fun. It is currently raining right now, so I don't know how that's gonna go.
So probably no drones.
So maybe no drone footage.
Just a weirdo.
Yeah, so hopefully we're able to get some drone footage because it's pretty nice out here. So we'll see how the day goes. We'll see y'all there. Alright guys, that was the boat ride. After that we after that I was so freaking tired and we were just chilling here and then we went to the pool. It's a pretty cool place. And now 2Chill is making some carne, and that's another trip because we had to go get propane because there was no more propane. I found a Leonard.
Niggas know the scouts. You ain't from here, don't fucking come in. We outside every day, 24/7, every week. Niggas know it's simple.
Hey, 2Chill. 2Chill. Show me some of your skills. 2Chill.
2Chill on the grills.
Chefing that shit up.
Sa sa sa.
Damn. Showing me off. You should be a taquero.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today. And I am so happy that we were able to come to the river. It was so beautiful. I enjoyed every second of it, even though I got sunburned. Let me tell you, I could feel it right here on my nose. My cousin got sunburned. I think Leonard got sunburned as well. I don't know about my bro, but yeah, so that was so much fun and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, tell your tia, tell your abuela, tell your mom, to your brother, everybody. Ya tú sabes. Bye.